The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, but the illusion of knowledge. To know what you do not know is the first step toward true wisdom. Wisdom is not measured by the number of books you read, but by the application of what you learn. The only incurable disease is the lack of will. The journey to knowledge begins with a single step, but it is a journey worth taking. In the garden of life, the seeds of knowledge yield the sweetest fruits. Balance your intellect with spirituality, for true wisdom lies at their intersection. Travel far and wide in pursuit of knowledge. The world is your classroom. Knowledge without action is like a book unread. It holds no value. Embrace the strength within, for it is the foundation of all achievement.
Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new video notifications.